Did you try to have the guardian ad litem
We staying within this,
Yeah. This is about guardian ad litem fees and disputes. Once you started
Well,
challenging...
on this particular point, of course. Just
What's
to
that?
clarify, to clarify on point 3, just so we can stay orderly, because there are other GAL points down below, so just make sure that you're staying within that one, so we don't, so we keep moving. This is the question of properly drafted Hamilton's motion to exceed the mandatory fee cap
When there was
without the requisite hearing.
when there was a dispute before the court about the fees and billing, was that the catalyst for or the result of a dispute with the guardian ad litem?
I'm not really.
The argument with the court about the fees has to do with the guardian ad litem. You say that there was some tension and you became a despised litigant, and there was contention with the guardian ad litem, as I understand it. Was that before or after you challenged the fees?
I challenged the guardian, this person's presence on the case, which included her fees.
Okay.
After that, then they came down very hard on me. And I'm saying that because in September of '08, I challenged, and I wrote a motion to the court to get this woman out, because I didn't know she was properly appointed. I looked at I'd been represented. I forget, I think Representative Keynes asked me if I was represented. I'd been represented. Then I wasn't represented. And so I went and reviewed all the materials in the case file, and I saw, where's the appointment? There's no appointment for her. So I went back, and I saw that she had never been properly appointed. So I asked for this person to be removed from the case, and she was engaged in some in misconduct. She was falsely reporting events that didn't occur. So when I did that, then she asked for a retroactive appointment with $7,000 and some dollars worth of fees. This is getting down a little bit further here. $7,369.69 of retroactive fees. And that was granted without the requisite hearing. And then when I contested that part, the improper retroactive appointment, that's when they said, and if you're going to complain about that, you're going to pay 100% of her fees. And you have to pay half of those immediately, or you'll be incarcerated within 4 days. And that's when the threat of incarceration and the intimidation came in.
Do you have the date of that order?
Pardon me?
Do you have the date of that order?
Of the
Threat of incarceration, pay the fees at 100%, and the whole thing you just described.
May 9th, 2009. And I believe I gave a copy of the hearing, the oral copy of that hearing to Chairman Ingridson, so that you would have a copy of that so you could hear it. At that point as well, I was unemployed. I brought my unemployment papers to the court. The court refused to accept them as being certificates from the state of unemployment.
All right, are you set?
Secretary.
I'll get back to the rest of my questions.
Yep.